Hi folks, today we are working on about 200 square metres of carpet tiles in a theatre. This is a function room in a theatre. And before I start this job, I just wanted to show you the condition of the carpets and tell you a little bit about what's happened. We have been asked to clean the carpets in this busy theatre, and the theatre hosted an event, and unfortunately some of the tanning product unfortunately was sprayed onto the carpet tiles. And as you can see here, the other day we did a bit of a test to see how easy we could remove the tanning solution, and as you can see it came straight out. So there's various areas where the tanning solution has unfortunately got onto the carpets, but the carpets were already dirty. I mean, right here in the middle of the room you can see an area here, and that's, I would say that was probably, you know, a leak maybe. Looking up at the ceiling, there's a tile that's been removed. That could be a leak from the roof. So what we're going to do first of all is vacuum this entire area. It's about 200 square metres. Once we've vacuumed, we're going to then spot clean, and then once we spot cleaned, we're going to use this machine here. It's a Cymex, okay, and the Cymex is going to encapsulate, clean the carpet. We're also going to use this machine here. This is an orbital machine, and this machine is going to help to remove further soiling and also dry the carpets. Right, so without further ado, let's get on with some vacuuming. We're getting on with things here, and just to give you some comparison on how the carpets look now they are clean, let's do a 50-50. So on the left side you can see where the carpets have been cleaned, and on the right side you can see obviously where the carpet is awaiting cleaning. And this is what happens to all the dirt. It all gets locked into these bonnets, and the bonnet then simply goes to the laundrette. It's washed, we use it again. Right, we've come to the end of this job now, and remember how it looked before. We had lots of tanning marks down here. We flushed all that out. Okay, carpet looks bright. We've removed the soil from the carpet. Okay, it is still drying out. It may still look a little bit patchy in places where we've had to spot clean, such as here, but that will dry out in here. You remember that there was a nasty stain right there in the middle. That's all gone now. And there was also an area here where there was a lot of tanning overspray that was there. So there you have it, folks. We started work at 9 o'clock this morning on this job, and it's come up 3 o'clock. And I can tell you right now that the carpet, most of it is actually dry. It is just drying out certain areas, but give it a couple of hours, this room will actually be ready to use. Okay, so there you have it.